AI replace Revit repetitive tasks. So today I have connected Claude AI with Revit and the result surprised me. So make sure you watch till the end. Okay, so now I am going to open the Revit and then I will open Claude and then I will connect them. So once you have to open the Revit, select the new file. Okay, once you will select new, the thing will come, project will select multidiscipline, click OK. That's it. You did. So now we will open the Claude in another tab. So once you will open the Claude, this kind of interface will come. Here you have to ask the Claude whether it is able to see the Revit screen. So I will give the command, are you able to see my Revit? So first of all, it will check the status. So Claude told me it can see the Revit current project is two Revit available. Yes, Windows use correct family. That's it. And it will start creating it. Enter. So first of all, we will get the family details. So it is executing the Revit code. It will do it automatically. So as you can see, the room has been successfully created in your Revit model. It has created walls, doors, windows, each and everything. We will see that by going to the 3D. So it has created door. As I have given the prompt windows, so it created two windows, walls, each and everything is there. Totally automatic. Okay, if you want to install Cloud in your laptop, I can help you. Just comment install in the comment box. Okay, so now as this room has no slab, no roof, so I will give one new prompt, add slab. Instead of roof, I am saying slab. It is executing the code. That's it. In 2 minutes, it created the model. So I guess it is very good. So it found foundation slab, perfect for slab, creating it now. That's really great. So it took structure family, great. But it added at level 1. So it added at level 1. Instead of the roof, it created the floor. We can change that, but this kind of mistake Cloud will make. More accurate prompt will be, the more accurate result will be. So I just provided the prompt as add the slab. But instead of that, if I have provided the prompt as add the slab with base constraint L2, so it could add as the roof. Okay. So prompt is more important when you are working with the AI. So now it is time to replace BIM modelers, but soon BIM modelers work will be going to reduce a lot. So AI is going to help us a lot. Thank you so much guys for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.